Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo N61 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let's tap on it. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's first of all switch to the video one. Unfortunately, the resolution is not highlighted anywhere here, so we have to open the settings, which are in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it, and here we have to localize video size option. Let's tap. As you can see, this device we've got 3 different options, so SD and 2 different HDs, and the difference is in the p-value, and that's it. The frames per second are the same. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen video size whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.